Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuja Singh and Dr. Pranjali Bisht is here with me for recording the video for you. So today we are going to do Abel's closed cup apparatus for lubricants. So we have to record the fire and flash point for the lubricants using this closed cup apparatus. So first I am going to demonstrate about the instrument. So you can see this is we can remove this, and this is your oil cup which is made of a brass, and we used to fill oil till here one mark is there. So to this level only we have to fill the oil. Next thing is thermometer. So this thermometer is having stopper. We used to use this stopper so that the tip of the thermometer should not touch the bottom of the oil cup. It should only be dipped in the oil. And this thermometer is having 1 degree centigrade. The minimum temperature you can record is 1 degree. It is from 0, 10 to 100 degrees centigrade. Next thing is this is the stirrer which we use to maintain the proper same temperature of the oil. And next thing is the stirrer, shutter. So this shutter we use to open and to check the flash and fire point of the lubricant. Now next thing is water bath. So this is the water bath. We used to fill the water from here, and also we can check the temperature of using thermometer of the water bath also. But generally what happens, there is the temperature difference in the water and for the oil. So we generally used to check the temperature of the oil only. So you can see if I remove this water bath system. So this is the water heater, in which you can see there are coils which used to heat the water, and this water will heat up the oil. So this is about the instrument. Now second thing is how we used to do the experiment. So we used to take the oil sample and fill in this oil cup up to the level marked. Then we used to put back this setup and thermometer. So take care of this thermometer. We have to put it like this. Now what we do, we used to heat up the oil, water bath, and finally the oil. And so it will start definitely from the room temperature, and it will increase the temperature. So we have a burner. We used to light this stick, and we have to check where the lubricant or oil will ignite. So we have to open this shutter and bring it near to the oil, and when it will ignite, it will show you the flash. So generally this separator is used for 80 to 90 degrees centigrade oil sample which are having this temperature range of flash and fire. So generally maybe after 50 there will be no observation, and after that there will be flash point. So we have to once you get the flash point, you have to record at every 1 degree rise in temperature. So every 1 degree rise in temperature you have to record the reading. Means you have to check you are getting flash or not. Then after some time you will get the fire. So that will be your fire point, and you have to stop at that point. So you have to stop heating and you have to record the temperature at that point, means that will be your fire point. Then after that you have to start cooling it. So after cooling it, you have to again check the flash and fire point, and that will be the cross checking for your heating. Whatever readings you got from heating and whatever readings you will get from cooling, you have to cross check, and you have to check the fire and flash point of the lubricant. So that point will be the temperature. You have to record the temperature. So this is all about the experiment. Thank you.